Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. Now the first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to clear Dragon Quest VII Reimagined cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Now look for the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game and then highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Then click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that the profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox consoles, then skip these solutions. Now solution 4 is to clear alternative MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. And after your console restart, then you can launch the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add accounts. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, launch the Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game and check if your issue is fixed or not. Solution 6 is to run Dragon Quest VII Reimagined from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Dragon Quest VII Reimagined in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check if it helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. So if you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. And then just restart your console and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is not solved, then select the port one by one and check which one work for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now solution 10 is to reinstall Dragon Quest VII Reimagined. So if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Dragon Quest VII Reimagined game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.